What is up, you guys? It's your boy C8 Corey. So I just picked up some shoes. Came from this store right here called Gone. They have so many different deals. Like, it's crazy on sneakers, clothes, whatever. So don't say I told you so. It's just a hidden gem that a lot of people don't know about. So if you're ever in Palm Beach, go to Gone. They got everything that you need. But yeah, I just picked up some shoes. I'm about to head out right now. And that's it. Can't tell if they're crossing or not. Okay. I was supposed to let them go, but yeah, so this is the other side of the parking lot. There's a lot of places here to shop and to go, and different spots to go to. Liquor store right here. They just got plenty of stores in here, man. It's crazy. Turn now. I believe there's a Costco back there, I think, and this gas station stays crowded all day long. When I tell you all day long, it's crazy because their gas is so cheap. But just keep in mind, people, cheap gas is not always the best gas. So everybody who loves getting cheap gas, what you pay for is what you get, right? So don't always fall for, oh my god, it's so much cheaper. You don't know if it's watered down. You don't know if you know, they put all type of chemicals in that one. Like, we just don't know. So I don't know. I mean, because I put that gas in this car one time and my gas went down so fast. Like, do you guys normally have like those 2 to 3 gas stations that you go to that every time you go out, I'm only going to those 2-3 gas stations, you know? And it's always good to have a little backup. That's exactly how it is for me. So I tried them out one time, and you guys know, when you get gas from any place that you're normally accustomed to, you already know how long it's gonna take for the gas to run down. You already know, like, okay, my gas shouldn't be going down as fast, whatever, boom. I tried their gas. In like 20 minutes, I was at half a tank. I'm like, what is going on? And I was in comfort mode. Everyone knows on the C8s in comfort mode, you're saving way more gas. Like way more gas. So, damn, bro, drive your freaking truck, man. But yeah, everyone, is there an accident? Oh, damn. Appreciate you, bro. But yeah, my gas went down so fast, and I was like, that just makes perfect sense. Like, sometimes getting the cheap gas is not always the best. Everyone loves cheap gas. Listen, I always love a good deal too, but at the same time, it's like, is it even worth it? Because then think about it, you gotta go fill up again. Every time I pull up to a gas station, I'm filling it up. So it's like, at that point, I'm gonna be filling up twice. So being cheap actually doesn't really work, because then you end up paying more. So why not just pay the one, you know, a little bit more expensive price one time, and you're good, you know? So I don't know. damn. These trucks got big brakes. It sucks when you try to avoid these things and then they end up right in front of you. But nah, I'm not gonna lie, I give truck drivers in Florida a really good like respect, because a lot of them could really drive. Like, I've seen some of these trucks cut up. For real. Like, some of them actually drive. All right, it's time for us to actually drive now. Oh my god, man, it's like you gotta drive like crazy to get around these people. Everybody stepping on their brakes every 5 seconds. Like, Jesus Christ, man. It's ridiculous. I shouldn't even have to drive like this. Traffic should be flowing. Like, there's no reason for it to not be flowing like this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Everybody driving like animal, man. One person going slow, one person right here just cruising. Like, it's crazy, man. Get out the way, man. Get out the way. Jeez. I'll do one little, hold on. It actually sounds good. So for people who don't know what the C8s, the valves are closed. When I have it in tour mode, which is their comfort mode, the valves are closed, but it's still pretty loud in tour mode. So I don't know, I actually like it. Yeah, it's actually really nice, like the whole like landscape of it and everything. This whole strip, don't say I told you so, but this strip, like in the evening when there's not a lot of traffic, the best place to do a pull if you want it, because I don't know why there's never too many cops here like later, and a lot of people aren't really on this like much later. So if you're ever on this strip right here, have fun. But we don't condone dangerous driving. I'm just letting you guys know. But I'm starving, man. Oh man, I freaking left the gym. I got a car wash. I picked up some new gym sneakers, and now I'm about to head home and just eat some good food. I started on like the keto diet now, so changed up my diet a little bit, and it's actually pretty good. I still like that. Yes, it's strict, but you can still eat certain foods that you like. So but yeah, it's always the best though, like after the gym, if like you got a really cold shake or like some really good food, oh man, that's the best. Why is it that stuff only moves when you're in a different lane? It's crazy. I really wish that we could play music and not get copyrighted. Oh my god, man. Ain't nothing better than just jamming to some music and going for a nice drive. But YouTube got all these rules and stuff, so last thing we need is the copyright. Is that a couch in their trunk? This person probably got a really good deal. Say like, we taking it. Just hope that thing don't drop, man. Staying far from this dude. Look how freaking low that guy's truck is. That shit has to be lowered on springs or something. His thing is to the floor. But yeah, I'm not really a big fan of trucks like that, to be honest. As I said, like, I would need like a fast truck or something like really like sporty. I can't, like, me personally, I hate like big cars, and like, you know, you always gotta find bigger spots because you got a bigger vehicle now. So yeah, it's just different. Guys, if you made it to this point of the video, I appreciate you so much. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.